Buddy, I just got my truck back yesterday from the body shop, and I have a serpentine belt squeal. I'm gonna shut this door really quick and put the window down because this dinging is obnoxious. We're in it, so we should be able to hear. I don't know how well the microphone's gonna pick that up, but it's pretty squeaky. I'm gonna go up here and pop the hood so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so if you can't hear it now, go get your ears checked. I'm gonna shut this off and I'll show you guys what I've got to try to make a difference. So I got some dielectric grease, and according to my sources on the web, that's what was one of the easiest recommendations. There was also soapy water and like deodorant and stuff like that. I'm gonna try dielectric grease. Basically, go up and you can easily access it right there. Rub a nice strip on it. Just hit the key and turn it over a little bit and do that a couple times to get a couple spots of it, and then let it run for a minute and see if that makes any bit of a difference. But I gotta crawl up here, and that's gonna be a two-handed job, so let me do that. Got one glob. I've got grease all over my finger now. I'm gonna hit the key and do it a couple more times. All right, so I've repeated my cycle like 3 times now, 4 times I think. Let's fire it up and see if it makes a difference. It appears to have returned to its former glory. Good old reliable V10 Triton. So, I mean, my manifolds aren't leaking. I've got all 10 spark plugs, and the serpentine belt's not squealing. It's basically in mint condition now. Let's hit it with a little throttle. I think we're good to go. I'm sure it'll come back at some point, but that's at least a pretty solid temporary fix, folks. Yeah, no squeal there. Well, it's back and running smooth again. If you guys want to see a walk around video on it, this is my 2000 F250 that I really haven't made much for shorts on at all. So it's kind of not super popular on the channel, but I'd like to make a video of it. I just got a bunch of body work done to it, and it's a pretty reliable rig, quite frankly. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and hope this helps. So have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys next time.